Hello and welcome to the EcoOils training course. In this video, we will talk about existing organic certificates. Organic agriculture and organic production are a fast-growing area in the agricultural sector in the European Union, as more and more customers are buying products that are produced with natural substances and processes. Organic food is no longer a niche market, although it is still much smaller than the conventional one. But how can we as customers be sure that a certain product is really organic? European authorities have been seriously engaged on the topic and have developed many regulations to safeguard the organic origin of all products labeled organic. So we as customers can be sure that when we buy a product with the label organic, it is really produced in compliance with all requirements for organic production. To prevent consumer confusion, to help maintain trust in organic products, and to support the authorities in their inspection regimes, the European Union has designed and developed the Organic Agriculture Europe label. The key principles behind the European Organic Label are as follows. Use of chemical pesticide and synthetic fertilizers is banned. Antibiotics are highly restricted. GMOs are not allowed, and crops need to be rotated on the field. The EU organic logo guarantees that these and many other EU rules on organic farming and production have been respected. In order to obtain the green EU logo and the right to mention organic on your label and products, you must be certified by a certification body approved by the competent authorities to attest your compliance to the EU organic regulation. The EU organic label can be used by farmers, producers, processors, distributors, importers, exporters, restaurant owners, and any other stakeholders in the agri-food sector that comply with the organic requirements for this business field. Of course, the EU organic label is not the only one on the market. Many countries have their own. This is the organic label of the United States of America. It proves the compliance with the National Organic Program, the federal regulatory program that develops and enforces consistent national standards for organically produced agricultural products that are sold in the United States. This is the organic label of Australia. It certifies compliance to the national standards for organic and biodynamic production. Other organic labels are that one of France, of Germany, of Italy, of the Netherlands, of Switzerland, of Great Britain, of Japan. More information about the EU organic label you can find in Module 11 of the EcoOil training course. If you need more information on organic farming, of essential plants or production of organic essential oils or marketing of organic essential oils, check the entire course at www.eco-oils.eu.